When something big happens in this country, all eyes are on one institution.
The U.S. Supreme Court this week heard the arguments on two landmark cases involving same-sex marriage.
Now, if the court upholds the law, it could have a sweeping impact on how states enforce immigration policies.
All eyes this week are on the Supreme Court about to deliver a landmark decision on President Obama's health care law.
Of course, what the Supreme Court decides matters. But what most Americans don't realize is that there is a web of district and circuit courts beneath the Supreme Court that is just as important in shaping our society. Consider this. On average, the U.S. Supreme Court takes around 80 cases a year. The lower courts, the appeals and district courts across the country, hear thousands of times that many. These cases will have an enormous impact on our lives as well as on the future of the law. So, who sits on these courts matters. Because like the Supreme Court, the nearly 900 lower court judges serve lifetime appointments. The political right understands this. 40 years ago, conservatives realized that if they focused on appointing like-minded judges, they could use the courts to get the policy outcomes they could never get otherwise. They educated. They organized. They took action. The result? A court system filled with judges that is more conservative and less diverse than the general population. It's not too late to reverse the trend. It's time for progressives to seize the moment. We must fill our courts with judges who understand our Constitution is about opportunity for all, not just the privileged few. Progressive organizations from across the issue spectrum should include courts in their advocacy efforts. We need to encourage our senators to put aside partisan bickering and fill critical federal court vacancies with fair-minded judges. Here at Legal Progress, we are working to bring people together to shape a fair, diverse judiciary. Share this video and go to whycourtsmatter.org to learn what you can do to take back our courts.